Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Infinix Hot 50 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Simply press the power key, and here you have power option is available. Tap on power off and tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press the power and volume up key together. First press the power button and now press the volume up button. And now release both keys. And here you can see XOS no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see on bottom data wipe complete. As you can see on bottom, data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Infinix Hot 50 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.